Okay, we're back in the car, getting ready to go to Savannah again. And the car finished charging this morning about 4:15, and it got to 228 miles of range. That's our 80%. And then this morning, while we were getting ready, it got to 256 in about 30 to 40 minutes. And we're ready to go. As you can see, to get to our destination, put us at 46%, and to get back to the grocery store, well, you might not be able to see because of the sun. There you go. To get back would be 5%, 6% now. So this would put us in the same situation as yesterday, where we got back with about 14 to 19 miles of range. Thank you. Put us in 14 to 19 miles of range. And we can do it without supercharging, but because we're going to do one of Geek's videos, we're going to be at the airport anyway, so we'll get like 5 to 10 minutes of charging, and we'll get home with plenty of charge to spare. Alright, we just had fun droning, and now we're going to go back to the car and go to the airport. Because why not? So we got about half the battery. Used about half the battery, and I think we got some decent shots. But like I said, that was the first time flying the drone outside of the house. So I don't really know too much about it. But when we pull the footage, we'll see if it was a good job or not. Hopefully it was. What do you think? Huh? Did you have fun with the drone?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, catch y'all on the flip side. I'll learn those buttons eventually. There we go. Walk with us. We'll just speed this up. Oh, hit the button. There we go. It's like, oh, you don't want to go, do you? Yeah, it's fine. At least they had the green light. I just didn't have the walk light. Imagine how much quieter cities will be while she speaks that. Imagine how much quieter cities will be when internal combustion engines are not the norm anymore. As I was saying, imagine how much quieter cities will be when internal combustion engines are not the norm. Take a look at these photos. I like this one. Sorry. Oh man, especially motorcycles. They will be so fast and so quiet. It'll be something we have to get used to with a silent motorcycle. First Girl Scout headquarters. What? He said, go, go, go.
Oh, that van. I think that man, he gonna say, oh, go, go, go. Hurry, hurry.
Yeah.
But maybe he not think like that.
Thinking, darn tourists. Don't know where they want to go. Got so many large, aggressive mosquito bites today. I'm not usually bit by mosquitoes, so this is going to be incredibly itchy just because I don't have a point of reference, and that's going to suck. So next time we come out, even if it is in the middle of winter, I'm going to bring the mosquito spray. Hello, Tachkoma. Wake up, girl. Gotcha. Hey, you're awake. Alright, first thing I want to do is set this helipad out so it can dry. And then we're going to get on our way to the hotel, to the airport. Catch y'all on the flip side.